I'm the soup guy, okay? So this here is where we make our soup. 85-gallon tank of soup.
At Food and Friends in Northeast D.C., Earl Davey is in the kitchen helping to prepare meals. They make 7,100 each and every day. He's been a volunteer since 2008.
It allows me to get out in the community, to do something positive, and to help somebody. And you know, you look at some of the conditions that some of these people are, and to be grateful for what you have.
And as a big snowstorm approaches the DMV, Davey knows that mission is more important than ever. The organization serves many who just can't get out. They rely on volunteers like him to deliver healthy meals.
Most of the clients I know, you get to know after a while, and you can only wish the best for them, you know, and they're really grateful that you show up.
With the storm just days away, volunteers will be preparing extra meals and making early deliveries. On Saturday, they'll make their Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday meal deliveries, so their drivers won't be out on the roads and their clients are taken care of. Katrina Mathis is the director of volunteer services.
We need all hands on deck. We even had staff up here today. Okay, so this is a big deal.
On a typical Saturday, they would deliver food to about 180 people. This Saturday, 400. That's a lot of food. They're getting ahead of the storm and making sure everyone gets fed. On Saturday, they'll have 50 drivers making deliveries and hundreds of hands in the kitchen. The organization serves clients who are facing significant health challenges, including cancer and diabetes.
We deliver as far north as Cumberland, Maryland, as far south as Fredericksburg, Virginia. We cover 6,100 square miles of the DMV.
While it's too late to sign up to volunteer for this storm, Food and Friends wants people to start that process of becoming a volunteer now. It can take weeks because it involves a background check and other steps.
Sign up for a shift so they're familiar with it, so that when the next weather emergency happens, or just when we have the next big need and we send out a plea, they're ready.
In the district, Darcy Spencer, News 4.
All right, so News 4 also checked in with Wheels on Meals in Alexandria. The organization is delivering 150 extra meals this Friday and Saturday to make sure clients are well stocked and also so drivers can avoid dangerous road conditions. Normal operations will resume on Tuesday. If drivers run into snow-covered roads, the Alexandria Sheriff's Office will assist them with delivering those meals. So
I feel like it's in times like this, we always see the community coming together to make sure folks are taken care of.
It's the best part of who we are as a community.
Absolutely.
Yep.